the Zcash Foundation has entered Q2 with a significant regulatory burden, lifted after the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission closed its investigation without recommending enforcement action. The inquiry, which began with a subpoena in August 2023, has now concluded with no action taken against the foundation. This regulatory closure provides Zcash with a clearer legal backdrop at a time when privacy-focused crypto assets face heightened scrutiny from exchanges, compliance teams, and policymakers. The update comes amid a period of increased attention for ZEC, as traders revisit privacy narratives and recent commentary from Barry Silbert has kept the asset in the spotlight. While regulatory clarity removes one major risk, Zcash still operates in a complex policy environment. Its shielded transaction model allows users optional privacy through zero-knowledge proofs, but regulators and exchanges continue to treat privacy tools with caution. This dual nature keeps ZEC's long-term narrative tied to both growing demand for financial privacy and ongoing compliance risks. Meanwhile, the first quarter also brought internal disruption within the Zcash ecosystem. Governance disputes at Electric Coin Company led to the departure of most of its development team during the quarter. This created uncertainty around development continuity and project coordination. Despite this turmoil, the Zcash network continued to produce blocks and settle transactions normally, with no impact on user funds or privacy. No single organization controls the. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Network's operation, which is a key feature of privacy-focused chains. This continuity is vital for maintaining user confidence in a space where governance stability can influence market perception. The Zcash Foundation's treasury currently holds $36.7 million, according to its Q1 report. This financial position offers a buffer for the foundation as it navigates ongoing governance and development challenges. The absence of enforcement from the SEC is a notable development for Zcash, but it does not eliminate all risks. Privacy-focused assets remain under closer regulatory watch, and the broader crypto market is still in a volatile state. ZEC's price movements have reflected this dynamic, with traders rotating into privacy narratives as market sentiment shifts. The next key signal for Zcash will likely come from how the foundation manages its internal restructuring and whether the network can maintain its momentum in the face of broader market and regulatory pressures. Investors and traders will be watching for signs of continued development progress and any new regulatory developments that could impact the asset's trajectory. The Zcash network's ability to maintain operational stability despite internal turmoil is a testament to its decentralized design. While the departure of key developers at Electric Coin Company raises questions about the future of project coordination, the network itself has not experienced any disruption in its core functions. This is a critical factor for a privacy-focused chain like Zcash, where trust in the system's integrity is essential. The shielded transaction model, which relies on zero-knowledge proofs, is a technical mechanism that allows users to choose between transparent and private transactions. This flexibility is a key selling point for ZEC, as it allows users to balance privacy with compliance requirements depending on their needs. However, the regulatory landscape remains complex, and the distinction between optional privacy and mandatory compliance is a point of ongoing debate among regulators and industry participants. The Zcash Foundation's treasury, now valued at $36.7 million, represents a financial buffer that could support the project through periods of uncertainty. This capital could be used. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. To fund development initiatives, community outreach, or even legal and compliance efforts as the ecosystem evolves. At the same time, the foundation's ability to maintain a stable governance structure will be crucial for long-term success. The stakes for Zcash are high, as the asset sits at the intersection of financial privacy and regulatory scrutiny. The next few months will be critical in determining whether Zcash can maintain its momentum in a market where privacy narratives are gaining renewed interest. Traders and investors will be closely watching for signs of progress in both the technical and governance aspects of the project, as well as any new regulatory signals that could influence the asset's trajectory.